Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to recover Snapchat photos, videos, chats, deleted Snapchat memories, all that good stuff from Snapchat. It's very easy, it's free, and here's how you can do it. So you want to do a few things, but first, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. So what you want to do is go on your settings on your device, click on general, and you want to go down to background app refresh. Click on it. And you want to make sure it's on and it's on Wi-Fi and mobile data. And you want to have your device plugged in to a charger or have over 50% battery during the process. The next thing you want to do is go on Safari or Google Chrome and type in appzilla.vip right here. You go on it, and from there, you can search for Snapchat plus plus, and you want to inject it to your iPhone device. There's also ways to do it on an Android, and there you can actually recover all this because it's stored within the app. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and I want to see you in the next video. Bye.